I will take it out with the gun then. Fine. Bring the gun out. You think the gun scares me? I have my own gun. I'm back to normal size now. Where is it? Ha! You want to fight? We can fight. That can happen anytime. Y'all don't scare me. Spaghettification. I should probably put away the gun while I'm talking to a super chat. I've warned you, chat. Y'all are tiny. Your tiny little guns won't even penetrate me. They're too small. Please pull the trigger. At some point, I'm just gonna put on a... You know what? 1 second. 1 second. This will probably be the... I don't think I can. Ah, that's how I do it. Right. Okay. Now you've been warned. You were warned, and so now I must take this out on you. It's time to end this!
Bang! Bang, bang!
More!
Bang, bang! Bang, bang!
So many gunshots!
Bang, bang!
I didn't have the time to find a free one, so I made one for you guys.
Bang, bang!
There you go.
Bang, bang!
There you go. I will never do that again. That was one of the most embarrassing things I've done in my life. Not